So you've got all of these types of cells, right, that your body is made of. Now,
Yeah,
I'm going
but
to tell you
can you see
something
me?
I can. Now, I'm going to tell you
Wait, what?
something exciting here. Are you ready?
Hmm?
This is quite interesting. Do you know what I'm doing
Wait, a
here?
pancake cell?
No, I'm not talking about cells now. This is something that I'm drawing that you may
A
not be able
brain?
to guess. No, it's very badly drawn,
I think I know what it is.
but you don't.
Brain cell?
No. Do you know what the outside is that I'm drawing? It's the outside of your mum's tummy. Not her tummy, actually. It's called the uterus. It's not the same as the tummy. But if this is a little Alvin when he's very, very small, right?
Oh
This
no.
is like the baby before it's born.
Oh no, not
Ah,
a mosquito biting a tummy.
no. This is inside. Can you imagine? Like you were all wrapped up inside your mum's tum like this, yeah? And
Yeah,
you were made up of cells, weren't you, at that time? Yeah?
yeah.
Now, those cells that you were made of, let's take one here and have a look at it. Guess what? It looks like this again. See
White
if you
blood cells.
know. What was this called? What part of the cell was that called? Can you remember?
Cell.
Yeah, but what was the black bit in the middle? Begin with N.
Nerve cells.
NU,
Nutrient.
nucleus. And what else is
Ah,
in there?
mitochondria.
Yeah, and what else?
White blood cells or red blood.
No, mate. Ribosomes. Remember?
Ribosomes. Difficult.
Because this was one cell, wasn't it? Now,
Yeah.
that cell that's inside you before you're born, and this is called an embryo, by the way. What's it called?
Embryo.
So, an embryo is a baby before it's born. So, if you were to take one of these cells from the embryo, it can turn into any type of cell at all. It could turn into a red blood cell. What other
A
cells might it
nuclear
turn into?
cell.
Nerve cell, remember?
Yeah. Pancake cell.
There isn't such a thing as a pancake cell, but you're doing really, really well. Now, these cells are
Cake
called,
cell.
shush
That.
you, they're called stem cells. All right.
All right.
What sort of cells are they called?
Stem cells.
Stem cells. So let's recap, shall we, on what we've done so far. Right, little Alvin, sit back. Ready for the
You can
test?
see me now. Oh.
You ready for the test?
Yeah.
Okay, question one. Inside a cell, you've learnt there are three things. What is inside the cell?
Hmm. Nuclear cell.
No, it's not another cell, is it? It's not a cell within a cell. Nucleus, though, you're right. That's one. Sit back, mate. What else?
White blood cell.
No, that's a type of cell. I'm talking about the things that are inside the cell. What's inside the cell? Nucleus. What else? M
Mitochondria.
mitochondria. What else? R
Robin. Or robine.
ro ribosomes. Can you say
Ah,
ribosomes?
ribosomes.
Ribosomes. Okay. So nucleus, mitochondria, and ribosomes are inside a cell. Yeah. If you've got lots of
Yeah.
cells, what do they make?
A
Begins with
tissue.
a
A cell
tissue.
tissue.
No, no, not a cell tissue. It makes a tissue. Okay. If you've got lots of tissues, what do they make? An or
Organism.
no, an organ. If you
Organ. No.
give me an example of
It
an organ.
makes a
Heart, yes, absolutely. So if you've got lots of organs, what do they make?
organs make an organism.
Close, organ system, and then an organ system makes an organism. You got that?
Oh,
No, you're doing brilliantly. Right, give me then two types of cells.
White blood cell.
Good.
Red blood cell.
Excellent. And can you remember the other one? Remember the messages? No, no, no. You get on
Night.
my...
Huh?
You get on my... N...
Nitro.
N...
Nitro.
Nerve cell. So nerve cell. And inside you, before you were born, when you were in your mum's womb, when you were inside your mummy, what were you called? It began with E. Can you remember?
An egg.
Embry.
Embry person.
Embryo. You were an embryo. And if we took one of those cells from you when you were an embryo, can you remember what was special about those cells?
No.
Well, you can turn them into any type of cell.
You want.
Right? Yeah. And the word of those cells, it began with S. Can you remember? It began with S. Can you remember?
No.
St. St. Ste.
Sturgeon.
Stem cells.
Stem cells.
Okay, so because you did so badly, we've got to start it again. You ready?
Yeah.
Now sit up straight, don't lean forward, and concentrate. So we start off with a cell, yeah? What three things do you find inside a cell?
Red blood cell.
No. Listen to the question carefully. What three things do you find inside a cell? You're not going to find other cells inside a cell, are you? What three things are inside a cell?
A tissue.
No. Nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes. Okay?
Okay.
So what three things do you find inside a cell?
Nucleus, ribosomes, mitochondria.
Very good. And then you've got a cell, yeah?
Yeah.
If you've got lots of cells, what do they make?
A tissue.
If you've got lots of tissues, what do they make?
A heart.
Which is a...
Organ.
If you've got lots of organs, what do they make?
Organism.
No, between organ and organism, you've got organ...
System.
Yeah, organ system. And then you've got organism, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me three types of cell.
Red blood cell.
Brilliant.
White blood cell.
Superstar.
And
No.
stem cell.
Oh, very good. But what's the ones all tingly that send the messages? Nerve
Cells.
Nerve cells. Fantastic. Nerve cells. And
Woo!
when you're inside your mummy's womb, before you're born, we say that you're called a embryo. Can you say that?
Embryo, yeah.
Right. Now, if you were to take one of the embryo cells out, it's called a... You said it earlier.
Stem cell.
Stem cell. And what's special about a stem cell?
You can get out
You can turn it into
any cell you like.
any cell you like. Give you a round of applause. Very, very good. So, one lesson done. I love you. Okay. Thank you, Alvin.
Bye.
Bye.